Good evening. A dramatic transformation in our weather to come this week. September so far has been unusually warm, actually temperatures above average, and it could turn out to be one of the warmest Septembers on record. That is if the next few days don't pull it back considerably, because in the week ahead we're going to move into a much cooler regime with average or below average temperatures and some pretty wet weather at times as well. Through this weekend, temperatures across the UK have sat in the high teens to the low 20s, 23, 24 in some eastern areas. By midweek, we'll be lucky to see the mid-teens just about anywhere, and some areas will struggle to get into double figures. So why the change? Well, basically we flip from this very warm southerly airstream coming up from the continent that we've had through the weekend, literally overnight tonight, to this weather front sweeping across the UK, and then we're into a much cooler westerly or northwesterly Atlantic airstream for the week ahead. And here is that weather front as we look at this evening, bringing rain into Northern Ireland, which will push across into Scotland, Wales and the southwest of England through the small hours. Northern Ireland sees things clearing pretty quickly, but this front will drop some heavy rain across the western side of England through the small hours, and then it will make its way further eastwards in time for the rush hour and the school run. It'll be a soggy start to the day for eastern Scotland and eastern England, and a windy one as well. Very squally conditions as that front moves through. The wind eases off a little for the afternoon, but still a notable westerly breeze. Showers getting fed in on that breeze, and just so much cooler than it's been on Sunday for parts of northern Scotland by a factor of about 10 degrees. And once that front's through, we really tend to open ourselves up to more systems coming in from the Atlantic. And here's the next one for Tuesday. Eastern areas dawning fine with some sunshine, but this whole system winds in from the west through the day, bringing some heavy rain, I think, into all but East Anglia by the time we get to dusk. And obviously the rain will move in here later on. A wet and windy story for Tuesday, and temperatures obviously down on what we've been used to. Overnight Tuesday, the rain stays heavy as it sweeps its way eastwards along with some quite blustery winds, but by the end of the night we start to see a little ridge of high pressure arriving. Still a northwesterly breeze feeding some showers into the likes of western Scotland, perhaps a few getting down across Cheshire into the Midlands. But for Wednesday, actually this is our break in the weather for the week ahead. Quite a cool day, as I said at the start, temperatures perhaps in the mid-teens at best despite the sunshine and a cool breeze, but our driest day. End of the week, low pressure is back running the show, a two-headed beast here, swirling longer spells of rain and showers across the UK. The exact detail on the timings of the wettest weather a little hard to pin down at the moment, but certainly the picture is very clear. Rain will sweep across all parts of the UK at some stage on Thursday, and even when things do tend to turn brighter behind the more organised band of rain, we'll continue to pick up showers on rather blustery winds. It's a similar story for Friday, a difficult mixture of bands of rain and then showers being carried through on the wind. But I think for almost all of us, some pretty wet prospects to end this week. And the temperatures, well, there you have them again, mid to high teens at best. So autumn most definitely setting in for the week ahead. Let's head back now though to see what's happening with the sheepdog trials.